In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can redeem a code here in myCareer on NBA 2K26. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it, and if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, first things first, what you need to go ahead and do is press the menu or options button, essentially to open up your menu. And once you're in here, you need to find the options and quit tab all the way up at the top right. From here, just scroll down and you're going to see a locker code section on here. Go ahead and select this, and this is where you enter in that code. So either use a mouse and keyboard to actually type in the code way faster, or just, scroll through it just like so, and type in your code. But yeah, the process really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below. But as soon as you do type in that code, you are going to get the reward right away if it is valid. If you guys want code videos, let me know down in the comment section below. I can make some, or I can just send you some codes down there as well. But once again, if you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.